Hey dude, what's up? I am back with another interesting question from relation and function. Here in this question it states that solve if greatest integer function of cos inverse x plus greatest integer function of cot inverse x equals to 0. We have to find x here. Here it written solve means finding x. Always remember, bracket not always means greatest integer function. It may mean second bracket or third bracket also. So they have to explicitly mention that it is the greatest integer function, then only assume it to be greatest integer function. We all know that cos inverse x has a range of -1 to 1. In -1 to 1, cos inverse x can only go to 0 to pi, which is its range. Now, cot inverse x also has to go from 0 to pi for all real numbers. So, if we assume it to go from from 0 to pi, so GIF of x, means greatest integer function of x, will always come from 0 to some specific number, but it will not come below 0. That is why when we add them, it comes out to be 0. Add them and it comes out to be 0. We have to have cos inverse x equal to 0 and cot inverse x equals to 0. Greatest integer function of both, which comes out to be a cos 1 to 1, because cos 1 here we give 1, then it comes to 0, and here it will be cot 1 to infinity, because infinity also comes out to be 0. Now here open bracket. Why? Because cos 0 cannot be here. Cos inverse 0 is pi by 2, which comes out to be less than 0. That's why here is cos inverse 1, cos 1, and this is open bracket, and infinity is always open bracket. So this is the answer. Thank you. Peace.